We did a lot of extensive research when we decided to redo our fleet a few years back. And that research had us all over the globe. We were testing a lot of variables within those manufacturers, not just ink and adherence and the quality of it, the price points of it, the hardware, how well did it run, how robust was it? Can I run it 6 days, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day? Is it gonna hold up? And so that was, I think, the foundation of the process.
Agfa's the leader in the market right now, and it's from having reliable and efficient equipment to supporting and developing the future growth of our business as well as growing the market. So they are definitely have been a very strategic partnership for us. We're going through open action items that we have with them. We're going through future growth opportunities or new challenges that our customers are bringing to us so that we can help develop their business as well as ours at the same time.
We have a parts locker here. We're storing hundreds of thousands of dollars of their parts on site using our distribution tools so that they can tap into when they need be, readily available for us. So there's so many examples where there's just a win-win situation going on that if we didn't engage, if we didn't just talk about these problems or these opportunities, you just wouldn't come to these conclusions. And so we're constantly having those conversations. Even though we like where the relationship's at, we feel like we're great partners to each other, we're still meeting almost weekly to discuss what other opportunities are there. How do we enhance the relationship? How do we enhance that partnership? And how do we both get better because of it?
The brands started using colors in a way that they weren't used before in larger areas. Colors that showcased, if you didn't have light magenta, you would see grainy prints. And we were focusing on the benefits of the light black in the 6-color machine, which we didn't have before, controlling gray balance, the advantages of the light black, also ink savings. So actually one of the biggest decisions, one of the biggest factors in our decision was how much less ink we were going to be using. And we didn't want to sacrifice the benefits of the light black. So we wanted to get the best of both worlds. So we started printing in the high definition mode. But it was an improvement, and the customer noticed an improvement. Some of them were happier and some of them were still calling out some things. So we had to find another solution. So I looked at our ink usage to see how much of our light black and CMYK inks were being used. And I found that the cyan channel was the least used color, yet it had 4 rows of cyan heads. So I thought, well, what if we sacrificed 2 of those rows and put light magenta in there? Leadership here said, yeah, I'll propose it at the next meeting. We had some weekly calls with Agfa to just talk about improvements and just general things. And they listened and went back to headquarters, and headquarters said, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. We could probably do that. So the ball started rolling from there. The engineers at Agfa headquarters decided to also change the position of the colors. So, cyan blues always difficult to print without banding, and we actually got better results. So another bonus. Well, it was teamwork. We weren't different companies. We didn't feel like different companies. We just felt like one group of people trying to solve the same problem. None of the things we were concerned about that might happen did happen. It actually improved their quality. And they developed a new pass mode, which now allows us to, instead of jumping from 3 to 6, we can jump from 3 to 5. So we also gained some efficiency too.
These 4 Tauros, these machines run majority of our business. Oftentimes we still have ample capacity. We're running them 24 hours a day, 6 days a week on average, 7 days when need be. So we're maximizing those expenses as well, really making sure that we're getting our money's worth, right?